My name's Darren Gent. I'm at the University of Leicester and part of the National Centre for Earth Observation. I did my PhD in land-atmosphere interactions using land surface models, and as part of that we ingested Earth observation data, which helps to improve the models, and then you can use the Earth observation to evaluate the models. And then from there I sort of focus more on the Earth observation side after my PhD. In the Earth observation community, what's important is the data needs to be stable and it needs to be trustworthy. We try to do this with in situ data. That's how we validate our data sets. But in situ data is scattered, and there's large areas of the globe where we have no validation data. We need to have that to understand the climate system better, and the TRUISE mission will help to ensure the quality of these various CCI variables. So one of the most important skills is to actually be able to communicate with non-scientists. We want to see that data that we produce being used not just by other climate scientists, but actually by industry. So this sort of outreach to the public is something that's incredibly important, and that's what I think we need as a community to really put some effort into.
Hello, my name is Richard Benches and I work at Imperial College London and the UK's National Centre for Earth Observation. I'm a scientific project manager and research scientist with over 25 years of experience of working in the field of Earth observation, specialising in radiated transfer in the Earth's atmosphere. A major question I'm concerned with is understanding how the Earth's energy balance has changed and is changing as a result of climate change. I'm a strong advocate for ensuring that there is a global climate observing system that is capable of providing the critical data that is required to test and improve climate models. This is where my interest in missions such as NASA's Clario mission, Pathfinder, and ESA's Earthwatch TRUISE mission come in. I was previously a member of the science definition team for NASA's Clario mission and currently a member of the mission advisory group for ESA's Earthwatch TRUISE mission. TRUISE, once launched, will provide highly accurate measurements of the solar energy incident at the top of the Earth and the solar energy reflected back to space. TRUISE will provide highly accurate measurements, and these measurements are essential for improving our understanding and monitoring of a key component of the Earth's energy balance. As part of my role, I am working with colleagues at the European Space Agency, the National Physical Laboratory and the National Centre for Earth Observation to ensure that the climate modelling community are prepared to maximise the potential of the TRUISE observations once these become available, hopefully towards the end of this decade. I obtained my PhD in atmospheric physics in the Department of Physics here at Imperial College around 20 years ago, and it has and continues to be an honour and privilege to be associated with a wide range of missions, past, present and future, for NASA, ESA and EUMETSAT. So with the launch of TRUISE, hopefully in the next few years, there will come an opportunity to improve the level of accuracy of measurements which are obtained, and hopefully help us to gain better understanding of the Earth atmosphere system, enabling us to constrain and inform on climate model development for the future. And I think it's an honour and privilege to be involved in such missions and to work with such fantastic people.